Unwrapping the warmth of season's greetings. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a very special phrase that you've probably heard or seen, especially during the holiday season, season's greetings. This phrase carries a lot of warmth and joy, and in this video, we'll explore its meaning, use, and significance. Whether you're learning English or just curious about cultural expressions, you're in the right place. Let's unwrap this festive greeting together. Season's greetings is a phrase used to offer well wishes during the holiday season. It's a broad, inclusive way to express goodwill without specifying any particular holiday. This makes it especially useful in multicultural settings where people might be celebrating different holidays around the same time, such as Christmas, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, or New Year's. By saying, "Season's greetings," you're wishing someone all the best during this festive time of year, no matter what they're celebrating. This phrase is most commonly used during the late November to early January timeframe, aligning with the global holiday season. You might see it on greeting cards, in emails, or hear it in casual conversations. It's a versatile greeting that fits both formal and informal contexts. Whether you're writing a holiday card to a friend, colleague, or a business partner, season's greetings is a suitable and respectful way to convey your wishes. One of the beautiful aspects of season's greetings is its inclusivity. It acknowledges the diversity of cultural and religious celebrations during the holiday season. Using this phrase shows sensitivity and respect for different traditions and beliefs. It's a reflection of the spirit of unity and peace, which is especially meaningful during this time of year. While saying or writing season's greetings is straightforward, you can get creative with it. If you're making a card, consider incorporating symbols that represent winter or various celebrations. In digital messages, emojis or GIFs can add a fun, festive touch. And if you're in a setting where you know the specific holidays people are celebrating, personalizing your greetings adds a thoughtful and heartwarming touch. Season's greetings is more than just a phrase. It's a warm embrace in the form of words. It's a way to connect with others, respect cultural diversity, and spread joy during the holiday season. We hope this video has illuminated the beautiful layers of season's greetings and inspired you to share this heartfelt wish with those around you. Thank you for joining us, and may your holiday season be filled with peace, joy, and inclusivity. Happy learning, and season's greetings to all.